Presenting the Oppo Reno6 5G. The phone has display of 16.33 cm, 6.43 inch. The phone also has Full HD Plus display. It has 64 MP plus 8 MP plus 2 MP 32 MP front camera. It comes with 4300 mAh lithium-ion polymer battery. It has 8 GB RAM and 128 GB ROM. It is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 900 processor. It also features bokeh flare portrait video, Oppo Reno Glow 2.0, ultra-slim retro design and 90Hz AMOLED display. The delivery box contains handset, charger and USB cable, earphone, SIM ejector tool and protective case. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.